this makeup look wherein I'm getting ready for my friend's real sister's birthday, and I hope you enjoy today's video. This video is going to be more of a chit chat video where I talk to you guys and do a very pretty looking makeup look. Also the audio quality might look better because I've recently gotten my mic set in place, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a new video on YouTube. Okay, so I have a lot of time to get ready, so let's get started. I am going to be starting off by prepping my skin because you always know I prep my skin very beautifully because I feel like if you have a good prepped skin, if you have skincare going on, your makeup looks much more smoother and the base applies very beautifully. So I'm going to be first starting off by using the serum because serum eventually हाइड्रेट्स योर स्किन. आपके फेस पे एक जो ग्लो होता है ना वो सीरम से ही आता है बिकॉज सीरम लिक्विड फॉर्म होता है एंड वो आपके फेस पे काफ़ी अच्छे से ब्लेंड होता है. सो आई लव द फिनिश ऑफ अ ब्यूटिफुल सीरम. सो आई एम गोइंग टू बी यूजिंग दिस सीरम बाय बॉडी शॉप. सो आई एम गोइंग टू बी टेकिंग अ फ्यू ड्रॉप्स ऑफ दिस सीरम, 2 to 3 drops, and I will massage it all over my face. As you can see, my skin is literally glowing now. I love this serum. Okay, so for the moisturizer today, I am going to be using the Atomy cream. This is a very good and hydrating cream. It has vitamin E in it, which is actually great for your dark circles. I'm going to be using this moisturizer. I've almost completed it. I want to purchase a new one. It's absolutely amazing. I have tried the Clinique moisturizer. I feel this suits me better. I'm gonna first warm it up in between my fingers and then just massage it on my face. I can definitely see a glow on my face. Now we're going to be doing the eye makeup. So first, as you can see, my brows are almost pretty much filled because मैंने makeup करने से पहले अपने brows को edge में हल्का हल्का fill कर लिया था. मेरे को बस अपना inner part fill करना है, so I'm going to quickly do that with a lighter shade. I am going to be using the L'Oreal brow filler. For me, the most boring part of makeup is to fill your brows because कुछ भी नहीं करना होता है. अपना brows का shape you have to judge and then just fill it. That's all what you have to do for your brows, literally, you guys. First, I am going to brush my eyebrows using this spoolie brush. Now using an angle brush, I am going to be filling the inner part of my brow, which is probably this area. There is a hack which you should always follow कि बाहर का brow always, like outer part of your brow should be always filled with a little bit of a darker color and the inner part should always be filled with a lighter color. This gives a finish of a very natural looking brow. I'm going to be doing my eye makeup. So I have a very good hack for your eye makeup. I am going to be doing a smoky eyeliner. So first things first, I am going to be using a tape and I'm going to be just placing it here ताकि वो sharp wing आए. Now we're going to create a base for our eyelids for the eyeshadow to lay on. So I am going to be using a concealer. As you can see, I am facing the issue of dark circles and dark eyelids. So I'm going to first be color correcting a little bit using this orange color corrector. This is Inside Cosmetics palette, and just a little bit on both the sides. As such, इतनी कोई coverage है नहीं. It's just a very light coverage concealer, and I don't like creating a very dark base for my eyes. I like it to be very light. Reason being, I feel like अगर आप बहुत heavy कर देते हो तो वो real life में it does not look that good. So I like a light coverage. वरना बहुत cakey and patchy effect देता है end में. So I am going to be using very little powder to set it. I am going to be using the MAC Studio Fix, my favorite compact. I absolutely am in love with this compact. So now first I am going to be using a kajal to sort of create a base for my smoky wing. I am going to be using the Faces Canada magnetized kajal. This is so damn smooth. I absolutely love the finish of this. Like literally, this is one stroke and it's so pigmented. If it gets a little messy, it's completely okay. I am now going to be blending it out using stiff kind of blender brush. Swiss Beauty Bloom पैलेट. इसका मैं ये शेड लूँगी, द ब्लैक शेड over here, and मैं उसको प्लेस करूँगी for setting the eyeshadow in place. Now I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette to smudge out with a lighter brown color. So I am going to be taking a mix of this color and this color, this one color and this color, mixing these two colors and applying it above the smoky eyeliner, and cause my eyes a little bit hooded, so this will give a lifted effect to my eyelids. This is not a smoky eye, it's a smoky wing eyeliner. It's a thick smoky wing eyeliner. Don't mix it with the old smoky eye I did, because black color ko we can use in a lot of different ways. Wo smoky eye had rusty orange colors, it had warm colors, and this has cool tone. I've taken the darker brown color and applied on my lower lash line. Almost done with the eye makeup. Only the mascara is left. I am going to be using the XL Lash Volume Mascara. It's made in Italy. It's by Forever 52. Now when it comes to Forever 52, it's one of the most affordable brands, but at the same time it's favorite of all the makeup artists out there. So I think let's give this mascara a shot. I have used this before, but I've forgotten how it feels like and how the finish is, because मैंने इसको बहुत time से use नहीं करा है. So let's see. I think this was probably one of my favorite mascaras back in the day, but let's see how it turns out to be now. Now we're done with the eye makeup, and I hope you are loving it, because I am loving the way the eye makeup has turned out. Now I am going to be doing my base makeup. It's the Blue Heavens primer. Literally, you guys, this primer has a very good pore filling quality, and it makes my skin smooth to a level like no other primer does. So I love this primer. This is how it looks like. It is pure silicone. I am going to be definitely applying it on the T-zone area where I have poral issue and textural issue. As you can see, my skin is not glowing. So for that additional glow, I am going to be using the MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pink Light. Now I'm going to be using my foundation, for which I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations. I'm going to take a pump of this foundation and I'm going to be dotting it all over my face, because I feel when I dot the foundation all over my face, the finish comes out to be better. Always buff the foundation brush to your skin. अगर आप इसे small strokes में buff करते हो तो streaks पड़ने के chances बहुत कम हो जाते हैं. So now for these crevice areas like the corners of my nose, the center of my nose, I'm going to be using a concealer brush, because मेरा foundation brush is so big it will not fit there. So वो हल्की areas ना बच जाएंगे and then it will look odd, which I absolutely don't want. Now I am going to be doing my concealer. I am going to be using LA Girl, because I feel like कि मेरी under eyes काफ़ी हद तक conceal हो ही गई हैं. I just need to use a brightening one, so I am going to be using that.
I am going to be using the brightening concealer on my under eyes, center of my nose, cupid's bow, chin and forehead to highlight those areas.
And ये मैंने लगा लिया है brightening concealer. Now I'm going to be doing cream contour also, because I want my face to look chiseled. So I am going to be taking this palette itself and मैं इसमें से contour shade लूँगी. Now I'm going to first blend out the concealer. So firstly, I am going to be setting my under eyes very quickly using a powder. इससे पहले कि वो crease करे, because under eyes बहुत जल्दी crease करते हैं. I am using the MAC Compact and the PAC 245 powder brush. Now I am going to be blending my face का contour using the foundation brush. Using the concealer brush मैं अपनी nose contour blend करूँगी. usually when you apply your blushes, the powder blushes, they fade away in seconds. So what I always do, I first try and apply a cream or a tint, and then I set it with the powder blush. So even if the powder blush disappears, the cream is still sitting on my face. So I am going to be using this blush stick.
It is by Sari Cosmetics, and I'm going to be using my foundation blending brush to blend it in on the highest points of my face to give my face a chiseled look.
And then I'm going to set my face using my compact, and I'm going to be using this powder brush by PAC. I'm going to quickly do my powder contour, powder blush and powder highlighter. So for the powder contour, or rather I say bronzer, I am going to be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, which is broken, but I love this, so I cannot throw it, of course. I absolutely love this contour slash bronzer. Just blend it on the area where I am contoured. I'm going to be doing my blush. For the blush, I am going to be using this MAC blush in the shade Peaches. Now for the highlighter, I'm going to be using this Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline. Now I'm going to fix my face using the Micro Finish Fixer by PAC, and after that we're going to be doing the lipstick. For the lip makeup, I am going to be using this lip liner by K Beauty and this lipstick by Kiko Milano. It's in the shade 04. So I'm going to first shape my lips